Okay guys, I'm sorry I look bad. This is like after the video, after I took off my lashes, but the giveaway winner is Morgan.Linnea on Instagram. Her comment was so sweet, so yeah, she won. I hearted the comment on my, what do you call it, the giveaway video, so proof. She won. If you didn't win, don't worry, I'm going to be doing a lot of giveaways. I love doing giveaways. I love going to Ulta, picking out things, giving out merch. Don't be upset. Comment your Instagram and I'll try to like your pictures and stuff if you're sad, because I love you. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's cute and stuff, so yeah. Hi guys, I'm Haley Morales, and today I'm doing an updated eyebrow tutorial. This is just what I usually do when I go out, because usually every single day I don't really do eyebrows, like to school, but on the weekends and stuff when I go out to eat or whatever, I usually do this. I'm not gonna do like a full face in this video. I'm just gonna do the eyebrows. Yeah, y'all been asking for this, so my last eyebrow tutorial or whatever got a lot of views, so thanks for that. So I don't usually like prime, so I'm not going to prime. I mean, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I'm just gonna spray my face because usually I do that anyway. I look like an egg. I just sprayed it with the Mario Badescu lavender spray. I look bad, but it's fine. So for like the past amount of time I've had the Anastasia Dip Brow, I've been using the Anastasia Dip Brow, but I've recently changed over to the NYX Tame and Frame. I don't know, I just do. But I was gonna use Anastasia for this video and then I lost it. I just spent like 5 hours searching for it and I can't find it. I don't know where I put it, and I'm gonna have to drop another $18 on that, and I really don't want to. I'm really sad because that was expensive and I don't know where it went and I'm gonna cry, but I get to go to the mall tomorrow. I just realized. Bam, NYX Tame and Frame. So this color is kind of yellow on me. It's called Chocolate. That's the color. I mean, not yellow, it's kind of red on me and it's chocolate. I could go up one color, but I don't. I mean, this looks fine on me. It kind of brings out like the redness in my hair, so I kind of like it. And then I also use the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade 4, and I've bought 4 of these and I've like used them all. I use this every day. I just do a couple of strokes every single day, but for my going out look, I'm gonna use the NYX Tame and Frame. So first I'm gonna start off with the Benefit Brow Pencil. I had mascara on, by the way. This is, I don't know, I'll probably link it down below. First, I just brush up my brows. I don't know if these have product on them. I don't think they have any product on them, but you never know. So we're just gonna take safety precautions. So I don't really have eyebrows. Every time you see me with eyebrows, they're totally fake. So this is number 4, and this is pretty much my shade. I start like, I don't know. So it's kind of confusing to do, but I start underneath and just make the brow sort of have a shape. You have to build it up. Actually, it's not showing any color because it's dry. Okay, so when I mess up, I literally just get my finger and just do that because it slides. So I basically just use the pencil to get a good gradual fade. So you just brush it up or whatever. Like how much better that looks compared to that. Okay, and then make sure you have an overall shape, and then go in the middle of the brow and start drawing strokes. And then you can just brush it. I should zoom y'all in. What the heck? I'm so dumb. Y'all are balancing on sunglasses right now. So I think that's pretty good. So now I'm gonna go into the Tame and Frame, and I'm going to use a Sephora angled liner brush. This is my favorite. It's like $17, but it's worth it. It's the number 22. So this is the brush. It's pretty thin. I used to use the e.l.f. brush, but this one is just thinner and nicer. It's more expensive, but then I get my little brush here and I spray it with the Mario Badescu because I don't want to spray the pan, so I just spray my brush. And I've used this for just a little bit. I just dip it in there, don't get too much, wipe off the excess. I start at the end, so I start about right here and I go really lightly and make the tail, like the underline of the tail. Okay, and then you go to the middle and then slowly fade it to the front. You never want to use pomade on the front of your eyebrow because like it'll just make it too thick. And the overall like goodness of a good eyebrow is having a good fade. If you don't have a good fade, then like your eyebrow is gonna be all nasty. You don't want to go up too high on the arch. I've seen eyebrows that are just like this and I'm like, what are you doing? You don't want to drag the tail too far either, because if you drag it too far, then like it'll make your eyebrow look weird. And then you just slowly want to fade to the front. You can make this line longer than this one. So usually I make this one stop about right here and this one stop about right here. So it's like a diagonal little thing. Okay, so now that we have like the shape, you're gonna go in and just dip, get whatever you want. And then slowly, very, very, very lightly, start filling it in. You wanna start at the end and then just do strokes because you don't want it to be darker in other spots because then it looks patchy and then it looks really bad. So just start doing lines like I'm doing right now. I should probably put this here, not over there. And then don't get anything else on your brush. You can start blending it together with like a brow pencil or something. Not a brow pencil, the end of a brow pencil. I don't know what I'm saying. Brow comb. And the tame and frame like really tames your brows. It like grabs each hair. I recommend the Anastasia, but if you can't afford it, then the NYX one is good too. So there's like one brow. It's pretty bold. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. I guess I'll go over the steps for the people that are struggling. I mean, it is a tutorial. I'm acting like, I don't know. Oh, I didn't need to use the brow pencil. I'll just do it faster without talking because that's, I don't know, I do better brows just on my own, so. So you don't want a lot on your brush when you're drawing the outlines. So, oof. So obviously they look very uneven. I'm gonna get a makeup wipe. This one is super dirty, but I'm gonna underline each brow just to make them cleaner. It's 7 o'clock and my family is over here falling asleep and it's Saturday. Then I just, if there's places that need more color, I'll go ahead and like fix them up with a brow pencil. So now they like look similar. I know this one still looks a little tragic. Now they're looking good, so now I'm gonna clean them up, and today I'm gonna clean them up with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This one is pretty cheap. It's like $5.99 or $3.99 depending on where you get it. And to clean it up, I just like to use foundation more than concealer because I like it better, because concealer is too thick and it makes your brows look like too cakey. So then I use a like packer brush kind of deal. This one is from Zaful. And then I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna start underlining the brow. And you don't want to get it on the brow hairs because that's the worst. And when you're underlining like the front, you barely want to have any foundation on your brush. So like right here, I like to not have as much foundation because it just makes it look even more fake when you put foundation in the front. And these are not supposed to look real. They're that Instagram brow. Why do people like this trend? Like, I just do it just because like people do it and it's like looks fine. But why do people like it? It's pretty dark and like fake. Like you can tell the brows are fake. And then I do a couple lines in the middle and I like slowly fade them into the other eyebrow. Like that. Do y'all watch Hi Ho Kids? That stuff always pops up in my recommended, so I'm always watching like Kid Meets Fire Survivor. Or Kid Meets Blind Person, or Kid tries to describe colors to a blind person, or Kid meets someone with Tourette's. I don't know, I like them. I'm not subscribed, I wouldn't say I'm a hi-ho kid, but I like them. Okay, anyway, so that's like that. That's that. Then I get a makeup sponge, a wet one, but if it's not wet, I just use Mario Badescu to wet it, and then I blend it in. But you don't want to get the foundation on the brow because that's just horrible. You can do it with the dry beauty blender or sponge as well, but I don't know. This is a Morphe sponge. They're like $6 and they're really, really good. So in the front, I just kind of like bounce it so it like blends together well. And then I like to use the other side of this Morphe sponge to just drag it across the top to blend, to like make sure it's all blended in. To cut the crease a little more. So yeah, if they're not even, you just like get the end of your Morphe sponge, you can just drag it down a little bit. And yeah, that's what I do. I blend it a little more in the front because you don't want them looking just like they're there. A trick I like to use to kind of make it look like they're blended is to get a little bit of like foundation and put it right here. And I don't know, it just kind of like blends them together more. If they're not like perfectly sized, just get a little bit of the brow pencil and I try to fix it up. So yeah, that's what I did there. You can use like a brow gel, but I just get eyebrow wand. This one is from e.l.f. and then I get Urban Decay All Nighter. I just spray it on there and then you can just brush them in place. Or I like to use the NYX brow gel, but it's currently in my car, so I do this when I'm getting ready at home. Because yes, I do get ready in my car too often. That is why the brow gel is in there. So I'll go ahead and grab y'all so you can get like better lighting and stuff. So these are the brows. They're cute. Yeah, that's just that. If you enjoyed the video, well, that was kind of short. That was a short video, but if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow my socials, they'll be in the description down below, and I will see you guys next time. I don't know what's wrong with me. Bye.
I'm already gone. Just lay out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.